Take a ride in the 2014 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, airbags, front knee, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, one-touch windows. 4. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.